Hi, are you planning to study in Malaysia but don't know where to start? Don't worry, we are here to help you from beginning till the end. Hello, my name is Arya and I'm from your uni, and in this video I will explain how your uni will guide you step by step to study in Malaysia, from choosing a course to arriving safely. Let's dive in. First, we talk and consult with you. We'll get to know and understand what you want to study, what is your budget, what is the main things you're looking for, from facilities to courses and more. Then, based on that, we'll give you a list of universities that match your needs and goals, and of course your budget. This step is completely free. It helps you understand your options clearly so you can decide where you want to continue your studies. The next step is university application. Once you choose your course and university, we prepare your application. We help you to collect all needed documents like passport copy, transcripts, offer letter, and certificates, and everything that you needed. Then we send your application directly to the university. We also follow up with the university so you don't have to worry. We will take all stress away from you so you won't be overwhelmed with the whole process. After you get your offer letter, we will guide you for the visa fees, which includes insurance. Just to let you know, this is the same thing, just different terms. Next, payment to start your visa application. We start your student visa process. We guide you in uploading documents to guiding you with any documentations that needed to be done before and after coming to Malaysia. This includes Malaysia's official visa system and everything else that you needed. We also help you with medical checkup, insurance, and any payments needed. And don't worry, we keep you updated on your visa progress and all charges that you may needed to pay. No hidden fees. Before you fly to Malaysia, we'll help you to prepare. We'll help you to choose accommodation based on your budget, of course, if you want hostel or private room based on your preferences. Then we will explain airport pickup options so that you can arrive in Malaysia without too much stress. As you know, traveling abroad can be very stressful. With this, it will help to ease your mind before coming all the way here. In addition to that, once your visa is approved and your registration date is confirmed, we will help you to plan your flight. Also recommended arriving on the weekdays during working hours. This makes immigration clearness smoother, and insurance, university, or airport pickup service are available. We will guide you in choosing the best arrival days to avoid extra cost or delays that can happen if you arrive on the weekends or public holidays. So don't worry, we'll make sure that you feel ready before you even leave your country. Last step is arrival and settlement. Once you arrive, we will pick you up at the airport, send you to your accommodation, and we will assist you with registration at your university until your orientation day. Rather than that, we will also bring you to get your medical screening done, so you won't be alone through all of this process. Whew. The best part of all, we also keep in touch and follow up with you so that you have constant support whenever you need it. We truly understand that moving and studying abroad is scary, so having this constant support will definitely help you to make it easier and smoother. All you needed to do is reach out and our team will help you with whatever we can. In conclusion, studying in Malaysia is a great choice and we are here to make it easy for you. So there you have it. This is a quick look at how your uni can make your study journey to Malaysia smooth and stress-free. If you're ready to take the next step or have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. All links are in the description below. Just contact us and we are always happy to help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put the like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you soon!